What's up, y'all? We are in Tillamook, Oregon at the Tillamook Creamery. I guess they've been making cream and milk since 1909 over here. And it was like in the 1929 World's Fair in St. Louis or something.
We're going to go look at it.
It's on the wall over there. They won the best milk in all the land.
First, in the background, you can buy your Tillamook stuff.
I've been telling you, you don't know how they do cheese, but they do cheese in the cheese lane.
And here's the stuff you can order: food, pizza, ice cream.
You can win a year of free cheese.
We're going backwards. 2018 is when the visitor center was created. 2001 is when the second cheese creamery was created. 1966 is when the package was redesigned. Creamery was built in 1949. That's the first one. There's some hand stamps. There's hand stamps, and the butter was churned. And there's their stock certificate, which they got in 1918. And 1909 is when it all began. And 1854 is the Morning Star, Tillamook Farmers, butter and milk, but hauling it over rough mountains took so long it was spoiled. So they used the Morning Star to carry their goods to market. Oh, actually, in 1851, the first settlers arrived in the Tillamook Valley. Perfect for raising dairy cows. We're going upstairs. Upstairs. Cheese is hanging. We've been a proud farmer-owned co-op since 1909. Let's go up. There's cheese up above us. Cows on the wall. Oh, you can learn about the dairy co-op. Farm fresh milk arrives. Story starts on the farm. What do the cows eat? Come inside and find out. Let's do it.
Most important thing for cow care is just making sure that they're a stress-free environment and
we better free stalls every day. It goes on top of a cow mattress, which is made of
Cows eat a variety of foods to stay healthy. Corn cobs and husks. They eat corn. They eat food processing waste, potato peels and corn cobs. They end up bells of grass they eat, and vitamins and minerals. Think of it as recycling. I think my cows should eat grass, honestly, but that's neither here nor there.
most farmers grow up with an instilled that you just work and strive for your animals to be healthy and happy. And working with cows is always a blessing. I've learned, just to have a lot of patience.
see what we got over here. Number 1, the milk arrives. Cultured milk, enzymes, natto, and salt. And here is there's a lot of people here. Fresh cow's milk in the pipes. This is where they keep Threes exact milk and the cheddar master. That can hold 1,500 pounds. And there it is. Down there. That's how they made cheddar back in the day. That's how they use cheddar now. And they salt it.
Cheese Master is a new innovative thing that cut the jobs out of at least 10 employees. It's
Yeah.
automation. The people no longer have to flip and cut and stack. This thing does it for them.
Also, these cows are eating corn.
Now, every one of
I
these
want one
would
of those cheeses.
you gotta go over there.
Well, go give me one. Now we got a salter. It blocks it. Well, cheese is good, even though the cows eat corn. These are ads everybody's watching. Oh, they're packing the cheese. Okay. This is the cheese.
You can't get this stuff in North Carolina.
Yes, you can. You can get Tillamook.
Can you?
Yeah, of course.
It said back there they were world famous.
You can definitely get it in North Carolina. It tastes good. Tillamook ice cream is delicious. They've got a berry cheesecake. Delicious. Now when your cheese is packed and ready, it's been aging for months or years.
I've never seen an assembly line factory actually in progress.
There's the cheese.
That's because it's morning. We always show up to these kinds of things in like the late afternoon. Everything's already done for their daily operations.
They're packing the cheese.
They're working.
She's like, yeah, they're working. Look right down there at that lady. She's got a man.
Where does it go?
Person.
It spirals up and it just goes over there.
She's checking it out, pulling every couple of them, open it up. She's the tester. Look, she pulled this one. These are our tests. Look, there's another one she's testing. Yep, that looks good to me. She says, see you later. These people are washing their hands a lot. Look, we're washing doubly. Right there. Oh, time to watch some ads. Metal detector.
Yeah, they just cut some bunch open. Kind of push each other up. Oh my god.
And this is the blue octopus. It's a vacuum seals each cheese in its package. The blue octopus chambers open and close each block of cheese. The blue octopus. This is a different kind of octopus. That's the vacuum sealer. Fancy. This stuff's expensive, huh?
See, 120 a minute.
120 minutes. It has to pass through a metal detector for safety.
Did you get this?
What?
See what it says? I'll read this while you moving like a merry-go-round, 8 chambers on the machine's arms move up and down. The chambers open and close and each block of cheese vacuum sealing in its package. The vacuum sealer gives each package an airtight seal. A spinning arm pushes each package onto a conveyor that runs to the heat shrink tunnel. Steam heat shrinks the bag around the cheese, smoothing any rough edges.
Yum. And then it goes to a metal detector. Here it is. And then here's the workers. Oh man, look at all this cheese. That is a lot of cheese. Cheese everywhere.
I'll hold down the spot for a second. No, don't go anywhere. It's like these people are all...
These are waiting to be done? Yeah, well, I'm making the video, babe.
She's just sitting over there. Nobody's doing anything with it.
Oh, this is like your.
Probably cold in there. Look how they all got like long sleeves.
Those are like...
Alright. Then it has to be weighted and checked. All these things are machines. And then the wires cut the cheese.
Right.
They cut it up. They're kind of backed up right now. Man, here's got some headphones on. I feel you, bro. And then after they age, the big cheese blocks are returned. This is where they package the aged cheese. This is the cheese that's been sitting out. Or not sitting out, but aging. It says, the cheddar we made across the hall has been aging in our warehouse for months or even years. 35 million pounds of cheese stays cool to about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you come in here and get your free cheese. Let's see. And the kids are turning around some questions. What do you see here? Did you know we produce enough yogurt to fill 6 Olympic-sized swimming pools? How much milk goes into our 2-pound baby loaf? 20 pounds of milk. What's the most popular ice cream flavor? Vanilla. Boring. Yes, so you can learn a bunch of questions. And it tells you what the ingredients are. Did you know? Tillamook is a Native American word for land of many waters. I did not know that. And it tells you what's in this. Nuts,
Do you like cheese curds?
berries, and milk. Sure.
Cheese curds.
Yeah, let's go check it out. What they have. Free cheese. Am I going this way? We'll see. We'll go this way. Beep, beep, beep. Let's see what we can try. Cheese curds. Let's try one. And let's try a medium cheddar. Can't go wrong with that. Alright, well, I guess guess we're gonna go get some ice cream. We've been wandering around here. Here is where you can buy the stuff. Thanks for watching. That ice cream right there, the berry cheesecake, I've ate like 2 pints of it since I've been here, so I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video to help us with the algorithm so more people can find out about cheese.
Places like this and not get the stuff they have.
That's right, you have to buy stuff. We bought stuff. We got a flight of ice cream. We got some syrups. We got some cider. We got some yogurt because we're at a creamery. We got some caramel sauce.
Some cheese.
We got free cheese and another syrup. We bought them. And we bought a flight of ice cream. Tell me what flavors you got.
I think this is,
Peanut butter chocolate.
no, I think this is the Americone. The waffle cone.
Oh, this is, what is this? Peanut butter chocolate? This is the waffle cone. And this is the Marionberry. No, the
Yeah.
Marionberry pie. Because we need more Marionberry in our life. What'd you get? Water.
Yeah, but I love this water because you can reuse it.
Water bottle.
Tell me. This brand I get all the time. It's water.
Half water.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you
Is it
just
made by
you can
Tillamook?
recycle. No, they just branded it.
Oh, they just branded it.
Yeah, I had the vanilla bean with swirl.
And what did you think?
Well, you gotta get all of the parts.
Not about the ice cream, about
Oh.
the creamery experience.
I'd like to come when it's not as busy.
It is super busy here. When we got here, we were like,
Rainy day.
why is there such a large parking lot? And now you see why. This apparently is the only thing to do in
Tillamook.
Tillamook, so this is what you do.
Would they say it meant land of many seas, I think?
Even the birds come here.
So the Native American word for land of many seas.
The ice cream's delicious. There's a lot of people. You can get lunch here and ice cream. So, the ice cream's good. Don't forget to like and subscribe.